Seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life, just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life, just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season.
What's up, fam? It's your boy Tricky Aesthetics, and we're at Wavehouse in Sentosa. Beautiful day on the beach. You can see for yourself, clear blue skies. Man, it doesn't get better than this. The beach is just breathtaking. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you never miss any updates. And don't forget to like this video. As you already know by now, we're doing surfing. Yes, I have never surfed in my life, but it's always nice when you see people, riding waves and all of that. So I was like, yeah, why not? Why not try my legs on surfing? Literally. So I came to Wavehouse. Wavehouse is located on the Sentosa Island in Singapore. Yes. So I just have to wait till it's my turn. Personally, I'm looking forward to breaking some surfing records. So stay with me. I'll catch you on the flip side. So finally, it was my turn to ride the waves. This is my first attempt ever at surfing. So quick reminder, if you laugh, you are going to hell. Just check how it went. So first try was a complete disaster. Yes. So second try, let's see how it goes. I swear I could have done way better if I didn't slip. So third time is totally not my fault. I slipped from the surfboard, so it's totally not my fault. I could have done way better. So this is the moment We've all been waiting for the moment of truth. Look at your boy, man. Look at your boy, man. I'm standing on the surfboard for more than 1 second. Look at me, man. Look at me ride the waves. Yeah, man. Check me out. Check me out, man. First time. Woo! I made it, mama. I made it. Ooh, look at me, man. Just riding those waves, man. Okay. Wait. Oh, yes. Almost fell over there. But check me out, man. For my first time, yeah, I know, I look a little amateur, but hey. I stood on the surfboard for more than 1 second. That is an achievement right there. And here we go again. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you never miss any update. And don't forget to like this video. It's your boy Tricky Aesthetics. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out. Abanabo.